Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jela Konrad K. Sangma ulahir jurep ya ka Oxygen Generation Plan kabadon ha Civil Hospital Nongpo kaba katay ka Oxygen Plan on sa pentrekam notion na kabenta ban sumari kitu kinongpang kibala syakta hauknyang jingpang COVID khandai ubala sa priang state bha hakane ka Jela borok away hakane ka jingjurep Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jela lasan ranlang do MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds im rangkat ki officer Sorkar bakenthup ka Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District ka Kong RM Kurba u DMNHO ka Ribhoi District u Dr. M. Mauri u Medical Superintendent ka Civil Hospital Nongpo u Dr. PN Khain bat kiwe ki officer habakran lengkot haka jingle jurep daw Konrad uloong baya kane ka Oxygen Generation Plan on pendap no shen hakine ki khindiat sngi bat on pentrekam no eka hakatayo banwan habai day baka Corona Care Center u Konrad uloong baka Sorkar menta kadang penkre syait ya kite ki jaka sumar bat menta lajit eka MCH ka badon ha umran bat ka badang pentre syait ban pendap no eka bakan long ka na ki Corona Care Center bat ban pensukru ikitu ki basya kta hakate ka klam jingpang COVID khandai ban sya sumar bait tang hakate ka jaka.
We have come to inspect the oxygen plant that is been set up here. This is the one that has been provided by UNDP funding. There will be 3 locations: Thura, Nongpo and Jawai. As I mentioned about 3-4 days back that within a few days this center should be up. So we have received the equipments that have come in and the installation is going on as we speak. Now we just need to do the internal wiring and we need to do the internal internal piping of the buildings have to be done. So that will take a bit of time. We hope and expect that by early next week this particular plant will be functional. At the same time, we have just had discussion regarding the MCH out here in the district in Umran, and we are in touch with the Tata Trust, where they have committed that they will be giving the oxygen plant there. So we will be setting up another COVID base in the MCH hospital, and therefore we need to be prepared so that if in any situation cases continue to rise, then we will need the required infrastructure. And of course, Ribhoi being very close to the Assam border and being the entry point and having a large industrial and other central government bases is an area which is very vulnerable. So therefore we need to be ready with all eventuality, and therefore on war footing these works are going on. So the Honorable MLA and the Deputy Commissioner along with the Superintendent, we are all here to overall see the work that's going on. We are satisfied, but of course we need to speed up the work. So we have just told the contractor to try to finish it at the earliest.